Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Friday, the 12th of September. I'm at my dad's. I'm going to my mom's tonight after 10 and shit because she works now and she wants to pick me up tonight so I can be with her the rest of the weekend. But it's Friday. Had a pretty good day today. Thing is, it's fucking cold and shit. It feels like it's February. It's like September 12th. Usually this time of year it's still hot. Usually doesn't start getting cold at least until October or something. It's technically still summer. Summer doesn't end till the 21st. That's the first day of fall or autumn, whatever you call it. But it's technically still summer. And it's like, it feels like it's February and shit, which is not good. Oh god. I have a feeling this winter's gonna be horrible like last winter. Oh my god. We never have weather like this early in the year. Usually it doesn't start getting this cold until October. But it's like it's like the beginning of September or something. It's like cold and shit. I'm wearing a fucking sweatshirt and I'm still fucking cold. Oh god, it's getting cold. And it was, oh god, it's drizzling a little. Hope it doesn't get on the camera or anything. Hang on. Is there anything on the camera? I don't see any dots or raindrops on the camera, so we should be fine. Oh god, now it's, god, it's so fucking cold. Jeez. It's too cold. It's too cold for early September. Early September, it's usually still hot in September. It doesn't start getting cold, like I said, until at least late September by the earliest. It's still somewhat the beginning of September, and it's cold and shit. Jeez. Fuck. Sorry if you can hear more wind than me. I hope you can't, but it's a random vlog. Going to the store. Would go to Dunkin' Donuts, but I don't have enough money with me. I only have $2.30 or something. Oh god, it's starting to drizzle hard. And that means I have to turn the camera off and shit, cause fucking, I don't want to break this thing. Cars better not be backing up. God, I wish we're supposed to have, the weather is supposed to get warm again, like later, not till late next week though, which is bullshit, but whatever. An apartment building. God, it's freezing out here. And just now, it happened a few days ago. It was fucking hot a few days ago. It was like hot outside a few days ago. 2 days later, it's fucking freezing. Weird weather. Bipolar weather or something. You know, bipolar, your moods change quickly or something. Which I think that's what it is. I think I might be bipolar. My moods do swing. My mood swings do change really fast. I could be really happy at 1 minute, then the next minute I could be very angry. So I think I'm bipolar. But it's like this with weather though. Like, that happened a lot this year. Another time this year, I probably told you about this. It was like in April or something. One day it was almost 80 degrees. Then the next day or something, it was like snowing. Like, jeez. Dang. Like, not only that, another shitty thing about this time of year, about fall coming and this cold weather shit, fall and winter. Gotta deal with getting sick again. I usually get sick. Usually during the autumn time and during the winter I get sick and shit. Like I get runny noses and shit, stuffy noses, can't breathe that well. have to keep on constantly, when I'm at school and shit, I have to constantly keep on getting up and getting a tissue and shit. It's a pain in the ass, man. Each class, I have to get up 10 times each class to get a tissue. It's a pain in the fucking ass. And then later, and then it ends up burning my fucking, over here, you know, my mustache. It burns little above my mustache, not in my nose though, but you know what I'm talking about. Burns and shit, and it gets all red. Fucking hate that. Like, oh, fucking hate that. That shit really pisses me off. But I'm so dreading that. Every winter and fall I get sick. And like I have to deal with that again. Hopefully not anytime soon. Last year I got sick in August or something, late August or something. So I could get sick any day now. It's mainly this weather that causes it. It wasn't really that bad last August, but I don't know why I got sick. Yeah, it's cold and it's sort of rainy too. Sort of rainy tonight. What time is it? It's like 6:24 p.m. A drop-off lane. School I used to go to. Hopefully it doesn't start snowing anytime soon. I think I have to talk loud and shit because the wind, and you could usually hear the wind more than me talking, which is bullshit. I think there's a mode on my camera, on this camera, that you could. I think there's a wind mode, like, there's one mode you don't have to hear the wind or something. I should have turned that on. Maybe I'll turn that on next vlog or video I do. Jeez, it's windy, it's cold. Jeez. God. Does not feel like the beginning of September. It's windy and cold. The wind makes it more cold. Sometimes this bothers me, it gets me tears in my eyes. Look at my fucking hair, it's messing up my hair too. My hair's sort of messy too. Some lady talking on the phone over there. I wasn't fucking tripping. Just fucking that lady on the phone. Excuse me, guys. There's an ambulance down there. I see an ambulance. It's on the other street, way down there. The street where Jimmy's and Food Mart is on. And Dunkin' Donuts too. School I used to go to. Oh shit, low battery. I'm gonna stop the video because it's at low battery. I don't want to waste the entire battery, so I'll record. Alright, it's Food and Liquors there. That's where we're going. Hopefully Mustache Guy's there. He's pretty cool. Can't wait to get into Food and Liquors, warm up for a few minutes. Buy my fucking popcorn that I'm planning on buying. You know? Need to warm up. Oh, it stinks like a fart and shit. Who farted? Not me. Oh, it smells even worse. When we get here. Food and Liquors. People looking. Okay. Hey. Okay. Food and let the guy. Dala. That's what he's. Food and liquors! Yeah, you probably heard mustache guy say Dala. It's cool. Got some popcorn. I just want to snack on some popcorn when I get home. So I decided to get, since I didn't have enough money. I still want to do a vlog and maybe go to the store and buy something. I'm gonna buy some popcorn. Today fucking, when I was on the bus and shit, this guy next to me, he's a freshman. He's a guy. He had his nails painted and shit black. What the fuck? What kind of girls? That's what girls do. Girls paint their nails, not guys. I'm assuming he's gay or something, because that's something that a gay guy would do. Not that there's anything wrong with being gay or shit. There's nothing wrong with it. If you want to be gay, go ahead. It's your life. Love is love. But I'm never gonna be gay though. Me personally, I'm never gonna be gay, and I'll never be gay. And there's nothing wrong with it, but I'm assuming he's gay because he had his nails painted. And I don't hate him, he's cool, somewhat, but still. Hope the video doesn't end. I hope it doesn't say battery exhaust, I'll be pissed. Not only that, but that same guy in the bus and shit that was sitting next to me, he blew a nasty fucking fart, a huge fart today. I didn't hear it was silently, but I smelled it. Oh my god. It stunk. Oh my god. Don't fart in public. Wait till you get off the bus and do it. Don't do it while sitting next to me, please. Seriously. It's disgusting. Okay. We gotta run a little. A funny story, my friend Mike today. My friend Mike, he told me that one time during the winter or something, he slipped and fell on ice. He slipped and fell just like the cartoon characters would. Like, he was like, ooh, ooh, boom. It was funny. I was laughing at that all day and shit. He told me that this morning. Ah, fuck. Hang on. The camera's wet. Don't want to break this thing. School I used to go to. You can sort of see my breath. That's how cold it is. No trust. There's a sign. There's no trespassing. There's barbed wire or something. I'll record more. Alright. Sorry, something. Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog. It's getting fucking rainy. I'm gonna shield the camera with just popcorn and shit. Fuck. Stupid rain. Wish it wasn't raining and shit. Cars driving past. I'll do some more vlogs and rants and shit, so... Is that the moon? Oh no, that's a street light. I thought that was the moon. I was about to say, how could you see the moon with these clouds in the sky? Alright, I gotta fucking end the video, cause, it's fucking raining. And I don't want this camera to get wet and break. So till next time, it's your boy Steve. See you later. I'll do more vlogs. Bye.